You can unlock Genesis's new electric SUV just like an iPhone. Oh, that's good. These Genesis SUVs look pretty good, Will. Not going to lie.
You like them?
Are you seeing those?
The GV60?
You see those things when you're out there? You take a peek at those? Because you've been a big talking about SUV this and SUV that.
Yeah.
And you've been telling the world which one is the best and which one is the worst as some kind of an authority on the matter. Plus, you're ordering cars left, right, and center. You have more cars on order than I do. I'll tell you that right now.
Okay, this one's not bad. I don't mind this one.
You can go for it.
It looks like it's got some sort of double headlight action.
It's a double headlight action.
Yeah.
You got a little hatchback for you. Kind of looks like the Mustang Mach-E a little bit.
Sure, yeah. In a way.
So anyway, what are we going to do? How are we going to unlock it with a finger? The same biometric technology that unlocks your iPhone is now available for a car. Well, are they talking about...
So I'm guessing Face ID.
But it's weird. They keep saying fingerprint reader. Instead of traditional wireless key fob or Bluetooth-enabled phone as a key, the GV60 uses facial recognition and a fingerprint reader to unlock and start the vehicle. It takes less than 5 minutes to set it up. I was going to say each time? Get out of here. To set it up. From the driver's seat, use the touchscreen to create a new user profile and add your biometric data. Choose yes. Step out of the vehicle, stand in front of a tiny camera on the pillar between the front and rear doors. An illuminated circle shows that it's working. You get back in the car, place your right pointer finger on another circle at the center console until it's captured the fingerprint identical to the process of setting up fingerprint ID. After that, you're good to go. You unlock with the face, you start with the fingerprint. I love it. Well, what convenience. This is like before with the retina scans and the ads. We will always trade our privacy for convenience. We do it every time. We're like, is that going to be easier? What do you need from me? They're like, we need to scan you up and down. We're going to need a cavity search. And all of a sudden you're bending over because it's so convenient.
Yeah.
It's just the way it goes.
To unlock my phone, I need a cavity search?
That's right. That's right.
Boy.
That's right. They're like, you want to get into your house? It's going to be cavity search, sir. You're like, but I used to get into here so easily. And they're like, listen.
Yeah, I had a key.
They're like, it's a one-time deal. You won't even.
Now
they're like,
your butthole's
yeah,
key.
no. They're like, you won't even notice us in there. You're like, where? In my butthole? They're like,
no.
They're like, oh yeah, we're really smooth with it.
Oh god.
You won't even
Why you have
notice.
to say smooth?
You won't even notice us in there poking around.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how they work. Well, that's how it really is, though. It's a finesse thing. It's first of all, it's a convenience, and then all you're doing is it's some license agreement or privacy policy, which nobody knows about. Pure finesse, and next thing you know, they got everything on you.
Oh.
Every little detail.
I don't like that.
They know what you ate last Thursday.
No. I don't even remember.
No, neither do I.